wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best chalkboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, with the Mega Stationer's ST058, not only can you jot down announcements or updates, but you can also attach photos or notes using magnets. It comes with a felt and wood eraser, as well as a sturdy 10-inch easel for help in displaying your message. It can also be wall-mounted and won't break the bank, but it is too small for many projects. At number 6, featuring a smooth black surface and a solid pine frame, the Dooley 2436CH will be like a blast from the past for many ex-students. It comes with pre-drilled holes and 2 hooks for those who wish to hang it up, or some double-sided tape can also do the trick. It holds up well to extensive use and is simple to wipe clean. However, note that it needs priming for the best results. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Mr. Big Chalk can transform any flat expanse into an area for writing or drawing. This vinyl sheet works well as a semi-permanent classroom or office fixture, and when you're done with it, it removes easily and without damage. It's easy to trim as needed and comes with an idea-filled ebook, but note that it's not suitable for textured walls. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chalkboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, you can make your own slate-like surface with ease by brushing on a coat or 2 of krylon chalkboard paint. This versatile choice comes in a 29-ounce can and provides a durable, long-lasting finish on anything from drywall to concrete to wood. It applies well with a foam roller, and there are 3 color options. It's meant for interior use only. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the versachalk decorative is great for creating and displaying artwork, but it's also useful as a go-to place for all your family messages, plans, recipes, and more. It's constructed from naturally quarried slate for a unique texture and variation in thickness. This is a convenient double-sided design with an attractive wood grain frame. It suffers from no ghosting or staining. At number 2, the Cade 3-pack feature natural sisal strings and a wooden frame, so they'll help you create a rustic feel at any wedding, shower, or gala. With 9 by 12-inch dimensions, they're also handy for making announcements to post on Facebook or Instagram. These are available in 2 smaller sizes too, and are lightweight and easy to transport. They're a cinch to clean with a damp cloth. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the hbcy Creations A-frame will serve you well whether you're trying to attract churchgoers to your Sunday bake sale or barflies to your happy hour drink specials. Constructed from solid Russian pine, it creates a stable 2-sided platform for sharing your message. The writing surface is magnetic and it folds flat for storage. It's backed by a satisfaction guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chalkboards, or simply click beneath this video.